Okay. Look what I got for my birthday. Desktop USB microphone set. I'm hoping this works out. Okay, I don't know what any of this stuff is. This looks very squished. That looks important. This looks important. This looks important. I mean, it all looks important. Okay. So, here's the stand. Which we go like this. Good. And here's another stand. Should really find the instructions. Cool. Here's the microphone, which I'm hoping goes this way. Maybe not. How does this go? Okay, so I don't know which way's up. Have to look at that. I guess this goes on here. Ah. Yep. This cord connects to there and to a USB, which then would connect to the phone or computer. That's why I bought this, so I can connect it to the phone. It's like a printer connector. Okay, but first I need to figure out this. Squish it open? You must squish it open. You squish it open and put it on this way. Doesn't matter. I didn't know. It's not really working. Either that aren't super. I mean, I am super weak, but I don't know I was that weak. Alright, let me figure this out. I have no idea if this worked or not. Oh, wait. It should be working though. I'm like 95% sure this is working because when I hit the mute, how about now? Can you hear me? I'm not sure what the gain does. Well, I know what a gain does, but I'm not sure. So I'm going to play with it. This is gain going low, lower gain. Gain is low. And this is gain going up, up and up and up. And my voice has not changed. Let's see how it looks. Okay. And by look, I meant listen, which is very cool. And now there's this thing. Does this change the way you hear me? Hello? 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 Can you tell I'm excited? This is awesome. All right, I'm going to check. So apparently this little piece goes in between there and there, according to the picture. So that's fun to know. At least that's what it looks like it says it does. Okay. I think we're connected. I wonder what it's like when I play piano. Okay, so if I put it here, I don't think you can see it, but it's there. My piano's here. There's a speaker right there. What should I play? Oh, I didn't think of this part. I should play and sing. What should I play and sing, guys? Well, it's got to be Christmas, right? Sip that. All right, we'll go Santa Baby. I said baby really weird. Okay, first I'm going to see how it sounds, and then I will play some piano. It's embarrassing. I did not turn the piano on. I've been doing that lately. Whoops. Okay. Santa baby, slip a little under the tree for me. I've been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. E7. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. I've been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey, the one little thing that I really need, the deed to a platinum mine, Santa honey, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Come and trim my Christmas tree with some decorations bought at Tiffany's. I really do believe in you. Let's see if you believe in me. Oh, Santa baby, forgot to mention one little thing. A ring. And I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby. Hurry down the chimney tonight. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Waiting. Hurry down the chimney tonight. All in all, I think that's a pretty good mic for what you're getting. It was a Cyber Monday deal, so I think it was only like $70 Canadian, and it's the mono desktop USB microphone set. So there you have it. I'm excited. Yay!